Hey guys, there's Lipstick on IT. It's white. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Brittany if you've never been here before, and today's video is going to be an unboxing slash haul slash FabFitFun. Had their spring edit sale, and I said, ooh, I need things. You're offering things at a discounted price. Let me buy said things. Now the box has come, and I figure let's open it together and just, have a little back and forth. I don't know about you, but I've had a serious lack of new products in my life because I've been saving my coins and all of my monies in a little box, and it's hidden away under the ground in the dirt, so I can make sure that I have money for food and stuff. So I purchased this before I felt the need to start saving, before that, survival instinct kicked in, right? And it came in the mail, and I was like, you know what? It's been quite a while since I've gotten new items, so I'd like to open those items with you guys in case you would like to see items. So that's what this video is going to be. If you are excited about it and you like it and you are glad to watch it, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, join the Brat Pack. I put out new videos every week, and right now hitting the bell is especially important because I don't have a schedule right now because I'm just filming and editing and uploading way more than usual. So make sure to hit the bell and subscribe so you don't miss any of those videos because they're coming. And now I think it's time that we just go ahead and get into this video and get into these products, and let me show you what I got. So if you would like to see everything I got in the FabFitFun Spring Edit Sale, just keep on watching. So the Spring Edit Sale is like, it happens, okay, wait, I don't really know. The way I understand it, the Spring Edit Sale is, so FabFitFun, if you don't already know, which I feel like you do if you click this video, but it's a subscription service for 4 times a year. They send you a box, it's seasonally curated. And after that season is over, they take the items and they put it on a discount. But this is the spring edit, and spring just started, so maybe they do it beforehand. I really don't know. Either way, it's a bunch of beauty, lifestyle, fitness, blah, blah, blah products that are heavily discounted. So let's just get into it and you'll see what I got and we'll go from there. One thing I do like about what they're doing right now, I don't know if this is a new thing, but it's something that I just realized. They are actually reusing and repurposing the boxes from previous seasons, which is something they I don't think that they've always done, to reduce waste, which I'm here for. So anyway, this is what we got so far. This is just an overview. Now let's go into each item individually. Okay, so for each item, as I'm pulling them out, I will, in editing, put the normal retail value of the item on the screen so you kind of know what this should cost, and I'm pretty sure I can figure out how much I actually paid for it, so I'll put that on the screen as well. And I'm going to start with a product that's going to seem excessive when you see the quantity I purchased, but let me just explain. So I purchased not 1, not 2, but 3 Mitchell and Peach lotions. This is the Mitchell and Peach English Growers Hand Lotion. Okay, the reason I purchased 3 of these is because I got one of these bottles of lotion in a previous FabFitFun box, and this stuff is the best hand lotion I've ever used. I've gotten a bunch of different hand lotions. The scent is sort of like an herbal, I don't know how to explain it. It's like fine, it's good, it's great. There's nothing wrong with the scent, but the formula of this, I don't know what it is, but it works so well, and I think the retail price is like around $40, $45, and that's just so much for hand lotion that I just cannot. I might have spent full retail price on one of these because I do like it that much, especially right now when we're in a time in our lives where washing our hands excessively is extremely important, especially since I am an essential employee. I still go to work, and so I'm washing my hands a fucking lot, and they're dry. So this stuff has been a lifesaver. You're not going to be able to tell, but like there's no dryness, there's no cracking. This stuff works so well. I put it on my hands and my feet before bed each night, and I'm just soft as a baby's bottom, even though I'm washing my hands like 600 times a day. And since it's normally around $45, they were on sale for like $7, I believe is what it was. It'll be corrected on the screen if I was wrong, and the limit was 3. Otherwise, I would have bought more of them, to be quite honest with you. This stuff is the best. If you have the opportunity to get some, this is what the packaging looks like. I think they only have the 1 cent, but this stuff is the absolute best hand lotion I've ever used, and I'm so happy that it was on the sale because I've looked on their website and not been able to find it, and when I saw it, I was like, get in that cart right now, immediately, do as you're told, you're mine. So the next item in the box is from Spongeally. It's those buffers, those little sponges that are infused with soap. If you've seen any of my FabFitFun unboxings, you've seen me get these and talk about these. They include these quite often. They're just a sponge that's already soaked with soap. I don't usually use these. I've used it like one time, but whenever I see them on sale, I pick them up for my mother-in-law because she loves these, and she's gotten them for me a couple of times. We kind of get them for each other and go back and forth, and she loves them. And this was a pack of 2 in the scent tobacco and vanilla, and it actually smells really, really good, and I'm excited to give it to her because of how much she likes it. I haven't seen her in a really long time now, which is a bummer, you know, but we're not able to all see each other right now, and I'm excited for when I see her to give this to her as a gift, so I picked this up. So the next thing I picked up is from the brand Cotton Halo, and it's just a trio of bath bombs. That one's shaped like a butterfly. So during this whole pandemic that we're all experiencing together, I have recently become a very serious bath taker. I have replaced my depression showers and depression naps with relaxing baths, and I do it almost every night now. And I bought a bunch of bath bombs from my friend Melissa's mom, who makes them, that are wonderful. I wish she had a website so I could link it, but she doesn't. But they're great. And I take baths with bath bombs almost nightly. I just cut them in half so that they last a little bit longer because I'm not like made of money, you know. And I take a bath and I just sit in there. I put on a YouTube video or TikTok, or I edit, and I just lay there and I relax and I soak, and it really has been helping. My bathtub is literally made for like a really, really tiny anorexic child. So I kind of spill out like a freaking little. What would be a good way to describe this? Oh, it's like if you took like a giant fat pig and tried to put it in a tiny bathtub. It's not cute, but it's really relaxing. So I picked those up because it was a really good deal, and I was like, I'm really into bath bombs lately. Might as well pick up some more bath bombs. Okay, so the next thing I picked up is from the brand Georgette Clinger, and it's just a rose toner. You know, toner's good. I like to use toner. It was a good deal for this toner. It's cruelty-free. Everything in this box, by the way, is cruelty-free. I only pick things up that are. There's a thing on it blocking it. I'm just going to be finishing off the toner I have in the cupboard right now, and then I figured, hey, this is a good deal. Might as well try this new fancy-looking toner instead of my normal, like, what is it? I can't think of the brand. I'll pop it on the screen here, though. You know this toner. It's this toner. And I decided to try a more fancy toner, like a fancy lady, since it was on sale. Yeah. And again, everything I'm picking up is cruelty-free, and that's why I grabbed it. So what I do when I do the FabFitFun sale is I go through, and everything I'm interested in I put in the cart, and then I go through each item individually in the cart and make sure it's cruelty-free and if it's a good deal, and look up reviews and then purchase. Just thought I'd mention that. Sorry my energy seems weird in this video. It is weird. I have been, man, just horrible at sleeping, horrible at speaking, horrible at existing. You know? Who can relate? Woo! So the next thing I picked up is from Pistache Skincare. It's a pistachio and rose body oil, so you can use this on your face, on your hair, on your hands. Wait. Face, hair, body. Yeah, all those things. And the reason I picked it up is because of how inexpensive it was and how big the bottle is. A bottle of oil this big will last forever. And the scent pistachio and rose sounded really, really nice to me, so I wanted to pick it up. It actually kind of sounds weird now that I'm thinking about it, but I am excited. You know, I'm going to open this one. This one we're going to smell this together virtually. I just, you know, I use oil sometimes. I like to put a little bit in my hair. I like to put a little bit on my face, especially because I've been getting really fun stress rashes, as one does when one is anxious and the world is going through it. And so I had like a stress rash from my eyes down. This whole area was basically like a sandpaper bullshit situation. And so I've been using face oil to try to get myself back to a normal feeling complexion, which I'm actually really happy with because I'm finally back. And last night I was sitting on the couch just real ugly. You know that kind of ugly where no makeup, hair all pulled back in like a twisty thing, not even a hair tie, just like a clip, all twisted up, all fucked up, and just like a t-shirt, real bad looking. You know, ladies, the look I'm talking about. And I'm sitting there just like on my phone, scrolling, and my husband looks over at me and he was like, your skin looks really good right now. And I look over and I'm like, what? And he's like, your skin, it looks perfect right now. It's just so smooth and so nice. And I about died. It was the sweetest thing. So I don't know what the point of that was, but I've been using like oils on my face at night. So I picked this one up. Let's give it a smell. I want to put it on the back of my hand, but then since it's an oil, it's just going to roll off. So I'm just going to put it in my palm, which is less appealing. Oh, okay. There we go. Let's give it a smell. So that smells exactly like rose, and there's no pistachio to be heard of. Let's rub it in the hands and see how quickly it absorbs. It says it's from Santa Monica, California, so that's cool. It didn't have to be transported very far for me, since I am not very far from Santa Monica, California. If you don't like the smell of rose, you're not going to like this, but I do like the smell of rose, so for me, I'm like, I really like the way that smells. I want to put that in my hair, and I want my hair to smell like that. So there's my hands all oiled up. I don't know if that's anything, but there we go. Moving on. So the next item I got here is from the brand Grown Alchemist, and it is their Deep Cleansing Facial Mask. I picked this up because things that I have gotten from Grown Alchemist in the past, I have been quite a fan of. Let's pull it out. The packaging is always super like sleek and simple. Retail of this shit is hella expensive, and their exfoliator is the only skincare product I've ever picked up in my life that my husband was like, ooh, I like that stuff in the shower that makes my face feel scratchy. So whenever I see something new from them, I pick it up on the off chance that he will also like that. And this is a deep cleansing facial mask, which is always good. It says it's got wheat germ, ginkgo, and cranberry. Sure. Seems like one of those like muddy, like pull out face masks. Why not? I've liked things from them in the past, so I anticipate liking this, and I remember it was at a good price. That's the reason I bought all of these items, is because the price was so good that it was worth trying them out. I know I paid around like $100 for all of this in the box, which is like a really good deal. Oh yeah! Okay, so this is from the brand Kimono. It's just like a brown box, and I purchased myself a watch because that felt like the right idea. I bought myself a watch. I am 31 years old, and I have gone through most of my life without a watch. I know as a child I had watches, but in my adult life I have not had a watch. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna buy a watch. I'm gonna accessorize and be fashionable like a grown-ass woman is. Let me put it on. So that's the watch right there. It's got like a leopard band. And I don't know why I wanted a watch. I know it's like 2020 and we all have phones that have the price on it. But I thought, hey, you need a watch. Because why not? It has no numbers on it, which is, you know, just fine because I know how to tell time. Fun fact, when I was younger though, me and my family moved around so much when I was in like the age where you're learning time, right? With like clocks, that the school I had just been at was just about to learn it, and the school I transferred to had just learned it. So I learned how to tell time at a embarrassingly late age, but I can. And I just think it looks cool and like fashionable, and I'm trying to be a little more fashion and accessorize a little more, as you see by my 0 accessories today. You'll see occasionally in videos I'm wearing like earrings and necklaces because I'm trying. And I like leopard, right? Because why not? And so I decided to pick it up. And so now I have it. I have to have my husband set it for me because I have no idea how to use a watch. But yeah, and I know I should probably be wearing it on my left wrist, but I don't want to cover the party snail because it's so cute. So I got a watch. Anyways, last product. So this is from the brand Ilia, and it is their Color Block High Impact Lipstick in the shade Wild Rose. I had never tried anything by this brand, so I decided to give it a shot. And so let's pop her on the lips. Ooh, the packaging is cool. It's like a matte sort of metal, like matte touch metal. You have a... Oh yeah, it's got that like magnetic closure. Let's pop it on the lips. Let me take this off. Ooh, this lipstick color does look perfect though. Has there been lipstick on my teeth this whole video and you guys didn't say anything? That's so rude. Wow. Oh yeah, this is not gonna match at all. So let's just do it anyway, because who the foop cares? No one gonna see me anywhere. I haven't left the house in so many days. Okay, I quickly relined the lips, and now let's pop on this lipstick and see how it looks. Ooh, that's shiny. It smells exactly like all the lipsticks that were in my Gammy's closet on her dresser when I was growing up. All those little like Avon tubes, you know? Those tiny little minis they would give them as samples. That the Gammy would be like, go ahead, kiddo, play with them. And then I would. They smelled exactly like this. Actually, this color doesn't look that bad with the eyes, surprisingly enough. Something about the tone is neutral enough. Let me close it. Ooh, love that. Ooh, this just feels nice. It's a little light, but like it feels good. Let me look at this color up close. That's pretty. It feels like a sophisticated lipstick. Like I feel like an adult woman would wear this lipstick whilst wearing this watch and being heavily hydrated with her lotions and her bath bombs. Like this feels like a pretty, like I could wear this to the office every day. It's a good kind of formula where it's a little bit not shiny, but just not flat matte. It's comfy feeling. It looks good. It's a good shade. It's a good formula. I like this lipstick. I'm a fan. I am a fan. I'm a fan of everything I got. I'm so excited. Can't wait to try the toner. Can't wait to try the face mask. Can't wait to try the bath bombs and the oil, and I already know the lotion is killer. Anyways, guys, that's everything I got in the FabFitFun Spring Edit sale, guys. Hope you enjoyed watching me open it all. I will try to do the math and put on the screen of what it should have cost and what it ended up costing me. I highly suggest if you do have FabFitFun to take advantage of the edit sale because it's excellent, as you can see. If you have a chance to pick up that lotion, please do. If you have a chance to get anything by Grown Alchemist, I've been a big fan. Their exfoliator is killer, and men like it, so that's something. They don't like anything. Get a watch because it looks like fashion. Hopefully you learn to tell time at a reasonable age. And that's about it. I hope you are well, healthy, keeping yourself mentally sane, and doing whatever it is that makes you happy, whether that is sleeping till 1 p.m. like I did today and then getting it together and staying up till 3 a.m. but still doing the best you can, or being one of those really wonderful human beings who can get up and work out and be super productive. Whatever is productive to you, I hope you're doing that, and I hope it's keeping you mentally here. Anyways, thank you for being here when you could be anywhere else in the world, and I hope to see you in my next video. Subscribe, hit the bell, join the Brat Pack, and I'll see you later. Okay, bye.